大家晚上好，我是 Young B Cameron and DJ Monkey.
Where is your stall today?
My stall, yeah, it's over
So what do you
there.
guys cook today?
You're focusing it on Chinese girls. Focus
What
it on
the
me.
heck?
1, 2, 3, come on, make it bounce.
Hi, hello everyone. Good evening, like good afternoon. We are gathered here for the International Fest of 2017.
Alright.
So I'm the anchor like for this afternoon.
Okay.
So the cameraman, like the behind the scene, like behind the music man, Cameron Jackson.
Hey, what are you guys doing today? I'm vlogging today. What are you guys doing today? Who else is
Take, my girlfriend is there.
your girlfriend? Hello. Right now they are playing marble now.
This is Marwari stall.
Okay.
Selling normal food.
Okay, what is that food? What do you
Chole
guys cook?
bhature, carrot halwa,
What's up, bro?
and this is type of snack. And this is share. This is what? This is fruit.
Fruit salad.
Yeah.
What's our painting?
Muay Thai or Thai boxing is a combat sport of Thailand that you stand up striking along with various clinching techniques. It is physical and mental discipline. This includes combat on chains is known as the art of eighth limb. Now please enjoy the show.
欢迎
Where and stand. Oh, what is that? Bruce Liu. Hello, what do you guys cook today?
这么多。
你不动吗？
我要庆祝嘞。
6分钟了嘛。What is this? Salad? What are you guys doing today? Stone? Nothing, just sitting and eating. Oh, it's great. Yeah, my friend Parker. He's showing Muay Thai right now. You look like Marwari, bro.
Marwari?
Yeah, bro.
I got Argentina.
What's up, bro? Right now is International Festival. Here is our stall.你可以玩，如果你会，你可以去。你玩了吗？
这个是怎么玩？
你看一下，很容易。如果你会，你可以去我们地方的比赛。Today I'm gonna give vote for my homie Rahul. Say what's up, bro.
What's up?
Marwari is helping girls taking photo. 我们去什么？
知道。
I don't know. Yeah.
Okay.
So, are you a foreigner?
Yeah.
Which country are you from?
I'm watching Endurance.
Are you studying in
Yeah.
this?
This is our flag.
那个可不可以跟我们照一张相？拍照，
我再过来。
就你和我们一起。谢谢。看到有灯吗？
没有了，不好意思。These are my homies.
突然间经过，是你的笑中被你解渴。
鲜血甜的可乐，心动甜的可可，于是对的时间，对的角色。
已经约定过，一起过下个周末。你的小小情绪对我来说，
我也不知为何，伤口还没愈合，于是这样闯进我的心窝。是你让我看见干枯沙漠开着我一朵，
是你让我想要每天为你写一首情歌，
用最浪漫的副歌，
你也轻轻的附和。
于是天空遮住你的选择，从那刻变成粉红色。
是你让我的生活从此都需要你配合。
You gonna play DJ?
No, man. I don't know. People want me to play with him, but I don't want to play.
No, bro. Oh my God! Look at his outfit. So dope. Gang, gang. Yo, the best photographer in the universe. No, in the Milky Way. What do you guys cook today?
What? This is
Lao Khai,
love guy.
watermelon.
Yes.
Why don't you give me? I'm staying here.
We are going to start Thai massage. Yeah, you'll try.
Free, right? Who will do massage? Who will do massage?
You. No, why you?
It's you.
Yeah.
A lot of takes are waiting for how long? I can fix it.
所有的朋友，所有同学，请你。
One eternity later. One minute, 37 seconds later.
大家晚上好，我是 Young B Cameron and DJ Monkey。Go。一种皮皮，一手掌握生死大权不留疑虑，脾气看不下跳舞有莫含金漫过整个宇宙，谁又开始救人镜头勾了谁都提肉，如今不想遗忘当然他的时候。
You're the only reason I cry. You're the only reason I die. Lately I've been missing you. I never thought I'd miss you, girl. I don't give a fuck about a motherfucker bitches, yeah. Now we go on the DJ. Yo, put it up. Yo, get it on. Check it up. Scream. Get the bitch, fuck, bottle, bitch, all the stuff, the fuck.
Fashion, Harley, 超人 I'ma go hard, I'm play hard, I flow with